Hi, welcome back to Rebecca's Travels, or if you're watching my lifestyle channel, welcome back to Rebecca's Lifestyle. Hi, how are you all doing? It's quite a foggy day today, but it is dry. It is still quite cold for this time of year in February. If you're new here to my channel, please subscribe. I'd be extremely grateful for you to doing so. I'm looking to get to 2,000 subscribers as soon as possible, and a big thumbs up and thank you for doing so. Today is going to be another footage video of the Nature Alive, which is a local wildlife like nature trail. So I'm going to also going to be doing the first today of our Let's Walk series, and it starts off with North West Leicestershire District Council. Welcome to Nature Alive, a local wildlife site at the heart of the National Forest. Really exciting what I'm going to find on this entrance. Last year I did the opposite entrance to Nature Alive, so let's see what we find. The opposite entrance is by the Adventure Park. It's good that there's a bin and a rail to hang on to. A little like stream tunnel. Wow, an exciting tunnel. Doesn't look like we can go on to the nature reserve spot. The gate is coming down. Lots of birds I can hear. So yes, the pond area seems to be out of bounds at the moment. Over another bridge. It's very muddy here. To another lake. I think it would be a lot prettier in the summer when obviously the leaves have grown on the trees again. not much wildlife in this pond. There was a duck in the other pond. Here's a bench to sit down on. And this is grass area, another life. Ring in case anybody falls in the water. A little stream here. Some more picnic and rubbish bins. Now this is the large lake where we can go on. There's some birds. Does say no swimming, danger deep water. As you see, it's a very misty, foggy day. Sounds like most of the animals at the moment are either hibernating or have gone elsewhere at the moment. So that wraps up our Let's Walk video in Nature Alive at the other entrance. Tomorrow I'm going to be doing Travel News UK 5 exciting facts. It's started to spot of rain now, so I hope you've had as good day and night as possible, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you, bye.